In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to save a file with a transparent background in Adobe Illustrator. This is essential if you're creating logos, icons, stickers, thumbnails, or any design that needs to be placed on different backgrounds without that white box showing up behind it. A lot of people think their file is transparent, but when they upload it somewhere, they suddenly see a white background. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the correct way to export your artwork so the background stays fully transparent. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss an important setting. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Illustrator tutorials. Let's get started. The first thing you need to check is your artboard itself. Before exporting, make sure there is no background rectangle covering your artboard. Sometimes designers create a white rectangle behind their artwork to see it clearly, but if that rectangle is still there when you export, it will become part of the image and remove transparency. To check this, click on your artboard and see if you can select a large rectangle sitting behind everything. If there is one, either delete it or hide it in the Layers panel. To hide it, open the Layers panel, find the rectangle layer, and click the eye icon to turn it off. Once that rectangle is gone or hidden, your artwork is ready for a transparent export. Now that your artboard is clean, go to the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down menu, choose Export, and then click on Export As. This is the correct option when you want to export a file like PNG with transparency. A new window will appear asking you where you want to save your file and what format you'd like to use. In the Format drop-down, choose PNG. PNG is one of the most commonly used formats for transparent backgrounds because it supports full transparency, unlike JPEG, which always adds a white background. After selecting PNG, make sure you check the box that says Use Artboards. This is very important because it ensures Illustrator exports exactly what's inside your artboard boundaries, instead of extra space around your design. Once you've selected PNG and checked Use Artboards, click Export. Next, you'll see the PNG Options window. This is where many people miss the key setting. Under Background Color, you must select Transparent. If you leave this set to white, your exported file will have a white background, even if your artboard looked transparent in Illustrator, so double-check that Transparent is selected. Right below that, you'll see resolution options. You can choose Screen for standard digital use, High if you need better quality for presentations or online uploads, or 300 ppi if you're preparing the image for high-quality print. Choose the resolution that fits your project needs. For most web and social media uses, Screen or High is perfectly fine. Once everything is set correctly, click OK. Illustrator will now export your file as a PNG with a fully transparent background. To confirm that it worked, locate your saved file and open it. If you see a checkerboard pattern behind your artwork, that means transparency is working correctly. If you see white instead, go back and double-check that there wasn't a background rectangle and that you selected transparent in the PNG options. And that's it. That's how you save a file with a transparent background in Adobe Illustrator the right way. It's quick once you know the steps, but missing just one small setting can completely change your result. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Adobe Illustrator guides in 2026 and beyond. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.